4.5 grand, 4 grand, it was a great man. It is the mouth's getting dry.
Uh-oh.
It is nearly 1 carat of diamonds. It's a solitaire individual diamond with 58 surrounding stones. It is a fire diamond.